A no onion garlic recipe, Ghevda with methi pakodas. Ghevda is a type of broad beans. Let us make the pakodas first. We will need 1/4 cup besan. Add 1 tablespoon kasuri methi, little turmeric, little chili powder, little cumin coriander powder, jaggery, salt to taste, little oil, little bit of water to make a batter like we make for pakoda. Mix well. Add a pinch of baking soda. Now clean the beans. Remove the strings. Check if there are any worms or a spoiled part inside and cut as shown. Keep removing the strings as you cut. Clean all the beans in the similar way. Now to make the pakodas, I have taken a small kadai as to not waste much oil. We will deep fry. Drop small balls of pakoda batter and fry on low flame. You can see the balls. Fry in 2 batches till golden and crisp. Keep them aside. These are perfect color. Now heat a bigger kadai. You can use the same oil. Use only 2 tablespoon oil. Add ajwain or carom seeds, 1/4 teaspoon. Just crush them a little. Add the washed beans. Add turmeric, chili powder, fresh coconut and little bit of water. We will cover and cook. Add half teaspoon cumin coriander powder. This is a non-spicy vegetable. Add some jaggery, salt to taste and add the pakodas at this point. Stir, cover and cook again. Don't add water now. The vegetable leaves water. Now it is ready. Yes, you can see how lovely it looks. Serve hot with roti. If you like my recipe, share and subscribe. Thank you.